just like a it's Wednesday and I just had a shift at the coffee stand and now I'm at the gym. I'm waiting for some treats to get delivered and then I'm gonna go pick them up. So I'm gonna try and do this now, get it over with, because I have to go back by all the stands and then I'll be on my way home for the day. But just got done with everything for the day, but I just showered, so my cheeks are like all red, but I went in the sauna and that was good. And I went in the sauna and showered and then there's like oil all over my face, but yeah, I've just been so busy this week, but I also just think that I've been doing things that are just kind of fun, and I feel like we're just so hard on ourselves and we feel like I have to go to the gym today or something like that, when if it's not going to make you feel better in the end, like if you know it'll make you feel better, you're going to have more energy and you're going to be happy you went, then you should go. But if you know that you're just so tired and that it's just going to make you more exhausted, I feel like it's okay to do something else, and I feel like people don't talk about that. And so that's what I've been trying to do this week, is just do what I actually want to do, push myself when I need to push myself. Yesterday I just sat in the sun all day. Sometimes you just have to do that. Make dinner. I think I'm gonna make a pizza, but I didn't have time to walk my dog today and it's kind of raining. So she likes to just go for a ride just to see all the farms and all the farm animals, and that makes her happy, so we're gonna do that, and then I think we're just gonna make a homemade pizza. I'm actually so excited for my shelf to get here because these little bags sitting on it will look so cute. Right now I just have a messy bathroom. I'm gonna show the shelf that I'm getting right there. I'm gonna show it right there, but these will look so cute just sitting on the shelf. And then all my beauty products will be organized. I don't even want to show you guys what my bathroom looks like right now because it's embarrassing. Like, what is this? My brother just gave me these t-shirts, so I'm just gonna cut them. Would you like to go for a car ride? Would you like to go for a car ride to the farms? Do you want to see the goats? And the horses? And the chickens? Is that a yes? for the pizza to cook, I'm going to work on my little blanket. Good morning. It is 5 a.m. and I'm leaving my house. Okay, well I just had to unexpectedly drive to where we get all of our coffee equipment from because during our shift we had an accident. So now I'm here doing that, and then I'm just gonna go back by the stands, and I think we're gonna go for a hike today. Okay, I just am getting all bundled up because it's pretty cold, and we're going to go for a hike. Okay, well this is how far I've gone, but I have to take a break because I'm supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be somewhere. So I'm going to come back and finish that, but it's actually going way better than I thought. For a second, I was super worried. Okay, I just got back. It's way later than I thought I'd be getting back. I was just working on a project, and so now I came home. It's been like 4 hours, so when I left it was 4, and now it's 8. So I need to finish this. I made some sleepy chai just so I can at least relax a little bit. I'm going to try and finish this before I'm too exhausted, but okay, nothing's all the way organized, and this isn't perfect, but I did pretty good. I think it looks really cute, and I make it back there, and then this little cabinet so I can have all my stuff in there. So these are just like all my products, and they were on the counter before, so now they look organized. I mean, it's not perfect, but I think think that's pretty cute. Started this next project off camera because I didn't know if I would go through with it, but I got these tiles. And okay, I will say this does not look great, but I think I can make it look better. That's what the tile is, and this is just kind of like in the meantime. I don't know. Well, it's definitely not permanent, but it doesn't look that bad. It looks cute with this mirror right here, so I don't know. I just got ready. We're running some errands. Just wearing these, like, I had some Brandy Melville. These are my favorite jeans. I need to stop wearing them. But like a big sweater, and my hair is messed up, so I just put it in a braid. But got all my jewelry on. We're gonna go. So we're gonna go to the grocery store, and I need to film a video of this house. Side job. All my jewelry on. Most of my jewelry is from family members. They're like old pieces, and then this is from Majuri.
Closing just the paper one, but the next one stays the way that it is.
Well, this is very ironic because I just washed my hair, did a whole hair mask, and blow dried it. Not thinking of the fact that I was going to a bonfire with my friends tonight, but that'll be really fun anyways. I'm just gonna have to stand back because my hair is like perfectly done. I'll wash and everything, but I just got ready. I'm just bundling up because it's super cold. Even though we're gonna have a big fire going, it's just colder than it's been in a long time, so I'm extra layered, and I'm gonna put on another coat. But I'm going to go there. I hope there's marshmallows. I don't know. Last time I went to the store to find marshmallows, I couldn't find them, so I'm not going again. I don't know if I should wear an actual coat or just wear another sweatshirt. I'm just wearing these jeans, and I gotta find my fuzzy Uggs. I don't know where they are. Okay, it's the next day. I did a good job of staying out of the fire. A little bit. I still smell like a bonfire a little bit, but today I'm just going to a brunch, my family's brunch, and then I'm going to be at the stand a little bit, and I have a dinner to go to, and that's that. And I'm gonna edit this tomorrow, I guess. A lot to do. But I just got ready, and it's gonna be a busy day, so it's pretty nice out. Just trying to wear something comfy because I have to go straight from brunch to a shift at the coffee stand. But it'll be a really good day.